Hello, in this video I want to show you how to use gold in Palworld. And to do this, first let's mention that you can use gold basically anywhere in the world, because you can encounter wandering merchants, and when you approach them you'll be able to buy or sell your stuff. So for example, this is the wandering merchant in the village. I'm gonna show you where that village is in a second, and here we can use our gold to buy some supplies. We can also sell our items. Now let's open a map, and here's where you can find the small settlement where you can sell your stuff for gold or buy something, and for example, that's where you start the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.